Opening the Rogue monitor. Let's see what is inside. Okay. It is quite big. It is a 24-inch. Okay, as you can see, it is bigger than this table. Oh, even the same size. Okay. So yeah, this is what is inside the box of this 24-inch Rogue monitor, which I got from Takealot. Then inside you get a HDMI cable. Okay. Then you get a stand for the screen. Okay. Let's just check this HDMI cable. How long is it? I think it is a 1 meter. Yeah, it looks like a 1 meter HDMI cable. Then you get a stand for the monitor and a plug for the monitor. Let me just take it out. It's a normal plug for the monitor, which will power this monitor. Okay, go into the big stuff. Then here comes the 24-inch monitor. Oh, it is quite huge, as you can see. Wow. No bezels. No bezels, it's just the lower bezel here. And it is quite elegant, which I like. And I will show you the next video when I've connected it to my laptop as my external monitor. Thank you guys. A review for the Rogue 24 1080 Full HD monitor. It goes as follows. Then the build quality for this monitor, I give it a 7 out of 10, and the screen display quality, I'm giving it a 7 out of 10, and the design, it is quite sleek. I like the design. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Maybe it deserves 8, but I think 7 is okay. You know, given the build quality, I gave it a 7. It only makes sense for me to give it a 7 for design. And for the price point, since it was reasonable, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. So in conclusion, what am I saying about this monitor? So the Rogueware 24-inch, I'm giving it, I'm saying it is a good monitor for the price that I paid. So yeah, great monitor.